Hello friends, this is that 2-day recipe I eat and lose so much belly fat in just 2 days. Like, this is so effective. It improves gut health, boosts metabolism, and activate the system to burn fat really fast, super fast, most especially that tummy fat. The first thing you want to get is lettuce. This is lettuce. You want to go ahead and slice up. Lettuce helps to remove toxins and heavy metals in the tummy, slowing down metabolism. And when your metabolism is slow, you face difficulties burning fat. You eat and you don't easily just break down what you eat so fast. So this speeds up that metabolic rate and have your system burn fat for you super fast. So 2 handfuls of your green leafy vegetable. The second ingredient you want to add in here is this very powerful source of antioxidant, this yellow bell pepper. It contains high amounts of antioxidants to help fight the effect of free radical damage that has slowed down your system. Plus, this contains enzymes that will boost the metabolic rate and have your system break down fat super fast. This is so effective. Crunchy, contains a lot of dietary fiber that will fill your tummy up, but without adding calories in your system and giving your system enough time to break down fat really fast. The third ingredient you want to add here is your fresh tomato. Tomatoes contain an enzyme in it that helps to speed up your metabolic rate. There are some people with slow metabolic rate. When you're born, you can be born with a very high metabolic rate that you eat so much and you burn fat. But someone will eat the same like you, but will not be able to burn that fat because the person has that gene, that genetic of low metabolism. So if you're that kind of person, you want to eat something like this to speed up that your metabolic rate for you. Now the third the ingredient you want to add in here, or fourth, that is it, is onion. Onions are very good as well to speed up metabolic rate, contain dietary fiber, and very good for cleansing. They detox your tummy as well. Really good. And one thing you want to add in here is a source of healthy fat. So a healthy fat is what will help you get rid of bad fats in your system. You know, bad fats, all the bad cholesterol in your system, making you gain weight, making you have a big tummy. This is what will help remove the bad cholesterol from your system, so your system can get rid of all the bad fats, and you get your body in shape. So slice up one avocado and you add that in there. So I still add a source of protein, which is chicken, and I'll share with you the recipe at the end. If you have chicken, you can add. That is optional. If you don't have, that is fine. But it makes you feel full, but without adding a lot of calories, and you stay like you can eat this the whole day without feeling hungry. So very quickly, I squeezed out the juice from one lemon. I squeezed out the juice from one lemon. You want to squeeze out the juice from your lemon, and you measure 2 tablespoons of your juice. You can leave the remaining in your refrigerator. Add a pinch of black pepper. This is the dressing for the recipe. A pinch of salt and some olive oil. So add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and yeah, if you like, you can add some honey, because if you have good honey at home, organic honey, you can add some, because honey equally has antimicrobial properties to help with cleansing of the tummy. You can add, and I add in whatever spice of your choice, like dried parsley. It makes this taste so good, and voila, this is it. Give it a good shake so everything gets to one consistency, and this is the dressing. Very healthy, promotes fat burning. You don't want to add a lot of creamy, high calorie dressing in this recipe. Just do exactly as you see me doing, and you will see the results. In 2 days, you will come back thanking me eating this. So this is our lettuce. You want to put in your salad bowl. That is the first ingredient. You want to go ahead and put in your sliced onion, like 1/4 of your onion you slice and add. Then you add your bell pepper, your tomato, like all those ingredients you saw me preparing. This is the avocado, one avocado. Avocado should be fine in here. This is a good source of protein and healthy fat. But I add in some chicken. Protein is good. Protein is very good because it helps your system filled up and helps you stay for long without feeling like you want to eat a lot. So this curbs you from craving food. Yeah, and it fuels your tummy so you don't feel hungry. This is a meal. You eat this meal 2 days, you will come back thanking me. So go ahead and spread your dressing on the salad, and give the salad a good mix, and this is it. This is a meal that will fuel you up, most especially if you add the chicken inside. It fuels you up, and you stay for the whole day without feeling like eating any other thing, giving your system time to break down fats, and plus the ingredients are good at helping your system break down fat. This is me, Risa. In case you don't know me, these are the recipes I eat or drink to get my tummy all nice and in shape, no belly fat. As I promised, this is a recipe for the chicken. If you want to do the chicken recipe, that is the video, but this is just like, if you are interested to see how I did the chicken, this is it. Just follow the steps. I sliced up my chicken and I put the spice I have at home. Depending on you, I put some garlic, ginger, paprika, parsley, white pepper, and that is it. Just the spice you're comfortable with, and I add in some olive oil inside just to get everything like, yeah. So this is it, marinated, and yeah, so I add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil in and give it a good mix. The olive oil gets those spice to penetrate your chicken, so it tastes really good. It helps with as absorption of the other ingredients, the oil, when I add there. And when I add the 2 tablespoons of oil, I don't put any oil in my pot again. This is what I just use to get my chicken ready, fried, like stir fried on low heats. So this is it. Take it to your stove, and since you already have your 2 tablespoons of olive oil in, you just put it in your pan. This is how you eat without putting a lot of oil or calories in your system. If you have an air fryer, you can put it in your air fryer, and before you know, it will be ready. But I do not want to use air fryer because not everyone has access to air fryer. But if you have air fryer, that is the best place you want to put this in. Time it, and you're good. So this is what I do for everyone. To this, I choose this method so everyone can try this recipe and enjoy the benefits just like me. So go ahead and try this. Come back and tell me how you feel about it. Share the recipe with your family and friends. Come back and tell me your results, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and if you love the chicken recipe, come back and tell me you loved it. And if you're going to try this recipe as well, just leave a comment at the comment section. Say thank you, Riza, because I know you get the results. So you don't need to come back to thank me. Thank me now at the comment section. Okay, I'll be waiting to read your comments. Thank you, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.